Well, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes, and we just entered Far Rockaway, 11691. We got a service call. Customer has a gas-fired furnace, and it's got no heat, so no bueno. I think we've been here many years ago, and I think he even had a maintenance plan with us, but he let that lapse. So let's go see what's going on here, guys. So pull up your pants, tie your shoes, make sure you keep your boots dry. Let's get going. What? That is a cat. I just said Mike G here. He likes cats. Yeah. Okay, let's take a wager. What do you think the problem is? I'll give you multiple choice. You ready? Service switch off, thermostat dead, cracked heat exchanger, all the above, or none of the above?
I'll say thermostat or something's dirty.
Okay, let's go see what's going on. Take your guess down in the description box down below. I mean, in the comment section down below. Hi, you got no heat?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Your dog has pink hair. Hi. What? You're not gonna bark?
You're not a bark.
You're not a barker? That's a good thing. Oh, there you go. Yeah, now you're barking. How you doing, ma'am? I'm sorry, am I following you?
Yes.
Okay.
So now I have to turn it.
You got a WeatherKing.
Yeah. Well, when I turn the thermostat off, the thermostat is off now. I mean, when I turn it on, I can see the light, but it doesn't.
No bueno.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to turn the thermostat up for us?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, you can have a little bit of light there too. All right. Yeah, see if you can scooch by.
Man, we're doing a lot of work in the house.
Yeah, it's all good. All good. Rome wasn't built overnight, you know? So we have a misting humidifier. There's a humidifier. Looks like this is our return for one of them. Wow. Okay. This is we call a downflow, Peter. The air goes from up to down.
Oh, that's why it's upstairs?
No, that's why it's upside down. You notice how this grill is always on top? Mm-hmm. Right, now it's up on the top, the blower, and the flame is below. Oh, shit. I didn't mean that to happen. Can I get this? Damn. I'm over 2. Peter, can we get the switcheroo? An A.O. Smith. It's a Home Depot Lowe's special. His signature, see? I don't even know how they got it in here. Oh, man. Talk about it's like, man, I think I just saved their life. 2019. Peter's gonna get the old switcheroo. It's a capacitor. Looks like it was just changed in the past with the band iron. Didn't cut off the access, but that's okay. All right, so this is called the inducer. Let's wait. Ooh, that's cracked, by the way. Oh, yep, excellent. You got the switcheroo. All right, Peter, let's do some parts identification.
What's it, guys? That's our inducer motor. That is our. It's a switch. That's our. Rollout?
No, that's the rollout.
Yeah.
What's this? That. I don't expect you to know it. That's high plenum sensor, or high temperature sensor. It sits in the plenum, which is behind there, which is the heat exchanger. What is that thing called here?
It's the board.
Yeah, control board. This?
Oh, that's our. It's on every condenser we see. It's Oh my gosh.
Dum 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 dum.
Capacitor.
What?
Capacitor.
Yes. What is it connected to? It's not a trick question. What's the capacitor connected to?
Oh, the fan.
Okay, blower, motor.
Blower.
Okay. What's that? I can tell you what we do have right now, though.
It's our service any dead motor.
Yeah. Yep. Sure do. We sure do. But for shits and giggles, let's test the capacitor anyway. All right. We got the Fluke FC902. Right. Yep. FC902. All right. Set that to read capacitance. Okay. Test that capacitor. Let's see what we got. 15. And it's a 15 capacitor.
Sweet.
All right. So we do have a bad blow. Our inducer mode also needed a little jump start. Lower motor needed a jump start. And when we had started up, we had a little flames flickering around over there. Look at the return filter. Yeah. Wow.
I bet you the heat exchanger's cracked.
Asher, you know if there's anyone who has it, it's you. 125,000 BTUs, downflow, gas-fired furnace, 24 inches wide, 34 inches across. But you know what they say, Peter? A furnace a day keeps pipe doctor away.
It's true.
And, you know, I gave him some info because he has solar panels on his roof. He was going to go with a Carrier Infinity. I was going to say Bosch, didn't you? You know, oh, man, I want to go through this red light, but it was green for too long on the other side. He's getting a replacement furnace. And we mentioned the coil. I said, listen, it's a downflow machine. If something goes wrong with your air conditioning, we're going to have to change the evaporator coil. Means I got to take the furnace out. He's hesitant. And I wanted him to say yes while I was there without putting too much pressure. I was like, listen, you know what? It is what it is. You know, don't let me know right now. So we got the deposit for the furnace. It's already on order. And next week, we're going to replace that furnace. I don't know if you guys noticed, holding up the inducer assembly was a piece of piano wire. Holding it up, and I had asked him towards the end, because I showed him how to spin the blade on the inducer motor assembly. He goes, yeah, I put it there because it was rattling a lot, like a few years ago. Oh, man. Gotta love my job. I love it. Love it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around for next week for the furnace replacement video. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.